Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you masala corn recipe. This is quick, simple, flavorful and spicy snack recipe. You can serve your loved ones a chatpata snack. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Now let's see the recipe. To prepare this delicious dish, you need corn. I used frozen corn. You can use fresh corn if you want. We want butter, salt, black salt, chaat masala and red chili powder. Lemon. I'm going to use half lemon. Our first step is to boil the corn in water for 5 to 7 minutes. If you want, you can add salt. Boil the corn until they become soft, then drain off the corn and transfer to a bowl. Heat butter in a non-stick pan. Add corns and saute on a medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Roast till the corns turn aromatic and flavorful. Transfer to a bowl. Add lemon juice. Chaat masala. Salt. Chili powder. Black salt. Mix well, making sure everything is combined well. Finally, transfer the corn into bowl and serve immediately. If you want, you can add chopped onions, cucumbers. Our masala corn is ready now. Try it at home and enjoy with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like.